Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung TV model and firmware because menu names vary. This matters for the path you'll follow. Once done, grab the remote and press Home or Smart Hub to open the main menu. Navigate to Settings, then General or Accessibility. Some TVs list subtitles under Picture or Broadcasting instead. Make sure the TV is on the input that shows captions so you see changes live, and be ready to toggle options as we proceed. Now locate the actual subtitle control. In Accessibility, look for Subtitles or Closed Captions. In Broadcasting, it might be labeled Subtitle Settings. Select Subtitle and change the setting to Off. If you see Auto, switch it to Off explicitly because Auto can re-enable captions. For live TV, also check Broadcasting Subtitle Language. Once done, test by playing content. Make sure to open any streaming apps and turn off their in-app captions too, since app settings can override system preference. Finish by restarting the TV to ensure the new settings apply consistently across inputs. Updates or restarts can reset subtitle behavior. If subtitles persist, inspect connected devices. Set-top boxes, Blu-ray players, or consoles often have their own captions enabled, so disable them at the source. Make sure the streaming app subtitle track is off as well. If nothing works, try a settings restart or factory reset, but only as a last resort, because that clears custom preferences and accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.